Hi everyone, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that you get my prediction on time, like my videos and share my channel to your friends. Hello, you're welcome to our special edition of 2 Odd today. Without wasting much of your time, let's roll to France. Go to Copa de France. We pick PSG. Go back. Go back again. Now go to England. Go to Premier League. Go to Man City. 2.5. We'll go back. Go to Germany. Go to pick 2.5. Go back. And we'll go to Netherlands. We'll pick Ajax 2.5. That is our 2 odd for today. In essence, we have Bayern Munich 2.5, PSG straight win, Man City Cardiff 2.5, and Ajax 2.5. You can stake any amount you like. If I put 5,000, I get 10,000 bucks. It depends on how much you have. If you put $1, you get $2. Depends on how much you like or you have at hand. So this is it for today. Thank you and subscribe to our channel.